If you are approved for the disability tax credit, there are some other benefits you may be eligible for. Download the video script using the link below.
Check out the next video for information on the new Canada Disability Benefit announced in July 2025 and the Home Accessibility Grant.
This video will cover the Child Disability Benefit and the Registered Disability Savings Plan. If you've received the Canada Child Benefit and are approved for the Disability Tax Credit, then you will automatically begin receiving the Child Disability Benefit as well. The Canada Child Benefit and the Child Disability Benefit will be paid on the same day as a combined amount each month. For example, if you receive $400 per month for your Child Canada Benefit and $100 per month for the Child Disability Benefit, you will receive a lump sum payment of $500 each month. It is important to note that the numbers used are just examples, and that the amount of benefits you receive will vary based on your personal income. You can call the CRA to discuss your personal situation at the number provided on the screen or in the script. Secondly, once approved for the disability tax credit, you are also eligible for the RDSP, which is the Registered Disability Savings Plan. The RDSP is designed to help parents and caregivers accumulate long-term savings for an individual with a disability. A parent, adoptive parent, or caregiver can open an RDSP at a bank for an individual with a disability who holds a valid disability tax credit certificate, who is also called the beneficiary. Be sure to bring the notice of assessment that shows the beneficiary was approved for the disability tax credit to the bank when opening an RDSP. The government will match your contributions ranging from 1 to 3 times what you contribute, depending on your income, for a maximum potential government contribution of $3,500 yearly. For example, if you contributed $1,000 to your child's RDSP in 2020, the government will match that and contribute up to 3 times what you did, for a total of $3,000, meaning the total combined contribution to the RDSP for 2020 might be $4,000. It is important to note that the numbers used are just examples, and that the amount of benefits you receive will vary based on your personal income. You can call the CRA to discuss your personal situation at the number provided on the screen or in the script. Contributions to an RDSP from parents or caregivers can be made up until the beneficiary turns 60 years old, and the government will still match these up until the beneficiary turns 60. Disability tax credit eligibility sometimes does expire after a certain number of years, and an individual with a disability may be required to renew their disability tax credit in adulthood. If your eligibility expires, the government will no longer match RDSP contributions until a valid disability tax credit certificate is obtained again. You can visit www.fasdNL.ca/DTC for more information, or email us at contact@fasdNL.ca.
Check out the next video for information on the new Canada Disability Benefit and the Home Accessibility Grant.
Thanks for watching!